everyone, so my name's Zoe and I'm the owner and lead esthetician at Authentic Aesthetics, and today I'm going to be talking you through the HydraFacial. So we have lots of different HydraFacial options available, but the most popular and a great place to start is with the Skin Health for Life treatment, which is the hour-long 6-stage facial. So HydraFacial is classified as a medical grade facial, which makes it sound horrible and scary, but it's really not. It's a lovely experience to have done. And the main reason it's classed as medical grade is because it works within the skin, not just on top of it. And that's due to the ingredients that it uses and the way that it works within the skin. So it is a 6-step process, and each stage of the treatment could be performed as an individual facial. So it's like having 6 treatments all done together, which is obviously far more beneficial than just having one. So we start off with lymphatic drainage, which just uses this little suction pump here. We go on to the lymphatic drainage stage, and it just uses a little suction pump which we suck up with our fingers. And we do this all over the face on the lymph nodes, around here, all around the side of the face, through the middle of the face. And this is a toxin drainage treatment. So any excess toxins, any puffiness around the face, especially around the eyes, we speed it up by draining all of this away, just using the suction. By doing this as well, it brings fresh, healthy lymph to the lower layers of the skin, so that when we do the hydration stage, it holds onto it for longer and you get longer lasting results. Once we've done that, we're then going to do a deep cleanse and exfoliation stage. So we have all these different bottles of serum along here, and then the different suction levels on here. So this is the lovely thing about HydraFacial, that we can use different concoctions of the serums together. We can turn the suction up if you like a bit more of an aggressive treatment, or if we're doing body areas, and we can change the tips to make it a little bit more abrasive as well if you prefer that. So we start with deep cleanse and exfoliation using our Active 4 serum. So this uses glucosamine and botanical cleansers, which are natural exfoliants. And then we have our hand piece here and our tip. So the tip goes onto here, and this spiral, this is a patented technology by HydraFacial. This uses vortex fusion technology, and it has a textured edge. So as we come along the skin, it basically exfoliates away dead skin, infuses in products at the same time. So we're getting a physical exfoliation, but the ingredients are doing half the job for us as well. And it just feels instantly clean. So the deep cleanse and exfoliation stage is to remove all the surface layers of dead skin, so we have really nice fresh skin to work on. Once we've removed the dead skin layer, we're then going to do a very light glycolic peel. So we start off with a 7.5% glycolic. This is called the Glycol Prep. This is just to brighten the skin and soften the pores. We can use this for all skin types, even dry and sensitive skin types. But then we can step it up. So the more treatments you have, the more used to the peels that your skin becomes. We can then step up to a 15% peel or a 30% peel if you like the hardcore stuff like me. So this just feels a bit tingly on the skin. We call it stingly, a bit stingy, a bit tingly. And this just brightens everything, softens the pores. It's really good for helping with things like superficial pigmentation and acne. Once the pores are softened, that's when we're ready to extract. So we use BetaHD, which is a combination of salicylic acid and honey extracts. So the salicylic cleans the pores from the inside out because it's oil soluble, so it can get really deep in there. And then the honey extract is anti-inflammatory and hydrates the skin as well. So we go over really slowly. We use a slightly smaller tip with this one, because then we can really get around the crevices of, for example, the nose. And by doing it really slowly, this forward motion forces the product in to the pores so they have nowhere else to go. And then when we do the back motion, it just sucks everything out. So you're instantly left feeling clean, or your pores are extracted and sucked out. Once we've removed all of the bad stuff from the skin, it's ready to absorb all the goodness. So we use the antioxidant stage. So this has antioxidants for the health of the skin, hyaluronic acid for deep, long-lasting hydration, and peptides for anti-aging. We also have a product that's more suited for acneic skin types or sensitive skin types. So if that's you, we can change things up for that as well. We absolutely soak the skin in this hydration stage, and then following this, we put you into the lamp. So we use Lux LED light system. You can use 3 different light combinations with this, so 1, 2 or all 3. Red light calms the skin and stimulates collagen. It also helps to push the products deeper. Near infrared light works on a much deeper level for skin repair, and then the blue light kills the acne producing bacteria. So you literally pop underneath the lamp and we leave you under there for about 10 minutes. Once that's all done, we apply some product straight off the bat and you get to see everything that's come out of your skin. So any of the excess serums that we use during the treatments are collected in a pot at the back, and you get to see the gunk that comes out at the end. So that was just a really quick video on HydraFacial, what it is, how it works. I hope that explains it a little bit for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout.